Hey guys, this is your friend Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in just 3 steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, here we have our SolidWorks 2015 and here the 2D part model diagram that we are going to draw now. And as I just told that we are going to complete this whole part model in just 3 steps. And the first steps will be the base part that we have, the geometry part that will be having from the top plane. That is this whole part, and we are going to complete that geometry and extrude that to a length of 40 mm, so that we'll be having a whole extrude. And the second part will be continuing with the extrude cut of this L section that we have here, and the third part the same cut extrude of this rectangular section will be have here. Okay, now let's start our SolidWorks with a new part model. And for your kind information, I'm just taking this center part of this line as the origin. Now I'm just taking the top plane to start my geometry, and from here I'm just starting towards downward to a length of 12.5, and from here to here they have given us 30, and from here to here they have given like indirectly from this point to here 40, from here to here 25. So from here to here it should be 40 minus 25 divided by 2, which is approximately 7.5. And from here to here it's like we can say the total length is 70, and from here to here it's 40. So 40 minus 30 divided by 2, it's 15. So like this length should be 15, and from here to here it's given as 50. So what am I going to do is I'm just going towards downward 15 and towards right 50, and just connecting these 2 points. And now we have completed until this point, and from here to here we have 100 minus 50, which is 50 mm length towards right. And from here we will be having, like they have given 70 minus 40 divided by 2, so 15 towards upward 15, and this length they have given as 10 they have given. And from here to here it will be like 40 minus 30 divided by 2, which is just 5 mm length. And from here we are at this edge point. So like what am I going to do is, I'm just to make this whole geometry easy, I'm just going to the center part, and from just closing this contour and trimming the unwanted parts. Now I'm just going to mirror the whole part with respect to this line, just to make easy the whole thing. Yes, we are done with the geometry of the base part. Now I'm just going to extrude it to a whole length of 40 mm. Yes, and now we are about to start our second part, which is to just extrude cut the unwanted section that we have here. So I'm just taking the front plane now, and from here to here and here to here I will be just drawing a rectangle and just extrude cut that portion now. So what am I going to do is, just to start from here to here I'm taking a line of 30 mm. So from here I'm just drawing a line of 30 mm, and from there I'm just taking a corner rectangle of length. Actually here we don't know, they haven't given the whole length of this total height. So what we can do is this length should be 5 mm I guess, because the 40 here they have given us 15, and so it should be 5, so the total length should be 20. So I'm just taking a rectangle of height 20 mm and length of 100 minus 20 minus 10, length of 70 mm. 70, enter. Yeah, now I'm just extrude cut with taking the mid plane, so like just like that. And yes, we are done with the second part, and the third part and the final part that we have remaining is just to extrude cut this unwanted rectangular portion. I'm just taking this plane as normal, and from this center I'm just going to start my rectangular part, and we have a length of 30 mm and height of 15 mm. So I'm just going to go towards right a length of 15, and towards downward 15 again, towards left 30 mm. Just about to close my close section. Now just extrude cut this section towards right. Yes, like however it doesn't matter because it's outside the part. And yes, we are done with the third part, and obviously we have done the today's part model. Hope you all enjoyed it, and please let us know your valuable suggestion in the comment section. Don't forget to give a like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot, see you in the next session.